So how do you pick the significant projects? For me, two things I look at. One is the art. Do I like it? And then two, the cultural significance.
5 effective ways to find good NFT projects. You have entered into the NFT community, and despite knowing how many opportunities there are to become successful in investing in NFTs, you're failing to grab that right opportunity. Let me inform you on what you're doing wrong. You're not doing the quality research you should be doing, you're not aware of the definition of a good project, and you're not aware on how to find a good project. Hey guys, my name is Teo and welcome to the channel. Let's dive in and learn how to find good NFT projects. What to look for in NFTs. Okay, let's be real guys. A good investor is the best researcher, right? When you invest in something, you spend your time researching for the best plots, stocks, apartments, etc. Similarly, you have to do some quality research before buying NFTs. Yeah, sure, some do it just because they like the art, but you can't always do it that way. Unless you have a lot of money lying around somewhere in your house. You need to be certain of a few things before you buy an NFT. Number 1, you love or at least like the art. Well, this is obvious, you never buy art you don't like. Good art attracts people, communities, and audiences like in an exhibition. It doesn't matter if you're an artist, a collector, or a digital creator, you should choose art that you personally like. Number 2, the community is real, healthy, and active. Make sure that the community is a well-established one. It has an active audience and has a good reputation on various platforms like Twitter, Telegram, Facebook, etc. Number 3, there are renowned and distinguished founders. Investing in NFTs is a business decision, and you do business with people. It's traceable, which is not the norm in cryptocurrencies, and generally you can check out the founders' reputations and their past performance. Make sure the founders work in groups and that their previous projects attracted a sizable fan base. Number 4, the art is innovative. There must be a certain uniqueness about the NFT that makes it a good one and one worth investing in. This is important for long-term gains. You should avoid projects that copy or mimic other ones. What makes a good NFT? Now that you're aware of some of the things you should be looking for in an NFT, let me ask you this question. Do you know what makes an NFT good or bad? Well, searching for a profitable NFT project is challenging, but you can clear your doubts concerning good and bad NFTs below. Community. A good community results in a good NFT, usually. Great communities like Bored Ape, Yacht Club, and CryptoPunks have teams and memberships. Memberships have utilities and rewards that serve as sources of passive income. A good community is like brand loyalty. Let me ask you this. Do people buy iPhones purely because they're better? No. Some buy because they see it as a status symbol, and when a majority believe that, it's self-fulfilling. Similarly, with a great community like CryptoPunks and CyberKongs, people invest because they're cool, and seen owning one is something to be proud of. Utilities. Utility-based projects have greater value because they develop strong communities, and those who contribute to the improvement of these kinds of projects help them grow the community, and as such are rewarded for it. Similarly, other criteria like accessibility and exposure influence a project's quality, and nowadays it would be negligent to ignore the value of gaming projects in NFTs. You can also check if there's a good number of members via Discord, or if there's a huge following on Twitter, because those numbers will help you recognize and spot good NFTs. Where to find good NFT projects? Okay, so now you know what to look for in an NFT and the definition of good NFTs. However, you're still curious as to where one can actually find a decent NFT. How can you search for good projects? Make sure to watch the video to find out. Let's talk about the sources that could help you find good NFT projects online. Twitter. Look, I am not exaggerating.
Do I feel lucky? Well...
Twitter is by far the best platform for NFTs. Whether it's finding NFTs or marketing your own NFT, you can rely on Twitter. A simple thing you can do is engage with the NFT communities on Twitter and keep updated on the projects there. What I said before about active communities is absolutely true, and you can see that on Twitter. Go on Twitter and follow hashtags like hashtag NFT art or hashtag NFT community, hashtag NFT, etc. You can also follow NFT and crypto enthusiasts and influencers on Twitter who are already successful and big in this community. Learn from them, follow their thoughts, see how they think, observe how they act, and when they act. You can start by following pages and people like Crypto Baristas, Real Miss NFT, NFT.nyc, NFT Times, Max Maher, The Wall Street Journal, etc. Discord. Let's be real, most of us don't even know how to properly use Discord. However, if you learn, you can do it easily. Discord might be the better platform for NFT projects than Twitter. The reason? Every project, every influencer, every enthusiast, and every community have their own server on Discord. These Discord servers are filled with people who might be the next millionaires. You can network with them, learn about new projects, get updated on previous projects. You're basically able to track everything. Nansen.ai. Analysis and having quality data can be immensely significant when looking for an NFT. But where do you get this data? The answer could easily be found on Nansen.ai. Please learn how to use this kind of data to its fullest. You'll start by getting a clear image of what the most successful buyers are investing in because they're using such data. You'll see what they're buying and which NFTs they end up holding. OpenSea. There's no way that a person who's into NFTs does not know about OpenSea. Known as the world's largest NFT marketplace where you can buy, create, and sell NFTs. It's one of the most suitable ways to find good projects online. You can use OpenSea tools or Twitter and Discord to find new and good NFTs and then check their activity with OpenSea. NFT calendar. Use the NFT calendar to get updated when there's an upcoming drop. You can use it to monitor an attractive, innovative, new, and thus a good NFT project. The Sixth Sense.
I see dead people.
I call it the Sixth Sense, but it goes beyond a gut feeling. You have to check out the project for yourself. If you're just starting out, be very careful not to make the mistake of doing what successful people have already done. Buying what they're buying, holding what they're holding, and selling what they are selling. Do not do this. Be original. Find your interest. Again, be original. Something unique to you. Something rare to yourself. And when you find the thing that excites you, you won't just be shooting in the dark. Look at the project and think about the following. Does it look good to you? Does it have a great community? Does it have an innovative base? Does it interest you and are you excited about it? Is it unique and why is it unique? Here, the why is most important. Yes, you might make a quick buck on one or two NFTs, but if you're planning to be in the industry for the long run, you need to understand what makes it unique and why it is unique. You may have the knowledge of what people are buying, but until you realize why people are buying, you will not be able to excel. Think, will it be worth it? Write down your answer on a page. Today is the time to use the tools and monitor the activity. Project to see if it performs good or bad. Then do the research. What answer did you find from the research? Does it match the answer you wrote down? This kind of exercise helps lead to a final decision on whether or not to buy a project. Remember, make a checklist of certain things like what to look for in an NFT, what makes an NFT good, then search the projects. Follow your gut, and finally verify it using tools.